Welcome back to this tutorial series on working with True32 website template. This video tutorial will be about adding and editing albums. So from your dashboard, come to the Foo Gallery. Again, I like to click on this rather than use the flyout because it goes away. So if I click on it, it opens it below. And then come to the albums. And we're going to go ahead and add an album, but in reality we want to edit one too, because we want to add that gallery that we created in a previous video. So let's go to Add Album, and this new album we're going to give it the name Other Room Albums. We want that same structure that we have in the other navigation. So we're going to say Other Room Albums. Right now we have kitchen albums, bath albums. If we pop over here and look, we can see that we have in the gallery kitchen albums, bath albums, commercial albums. So this new album we're going to call Other Room Albums. So this will be for libraries and wet bars and dry bars and libraries, things like that, rooms that aren't kitchens or baths. Then I would check any rooms, but I don't have any yet. I haven't created any galleries yet that I want to put in here, but I'm going to go ahead and create it. So we'll do that as part of this video. Then we're going to go back to our albums and we're going to edit one. So we created that bathroom, so we want to come in here to the bath albums and edit it. And so currently the bath albums page has these three baths, and this is that traditional paint glaze master bath we added in the last video that we did, and we just want to add it to this album. So when you do this, you're done. If you didn't have to create a new page like we did for that other rooms, we got to create a page and we got to add it to navigation and all that. But in this case, because the album already exists, we created the gallery, and now all we got to do is just check that box and say update. Now I'm not going to update right this second. I'm going to come over here and show you like I did it toward the end of the other one. So we only have 3 bathrooms in here right now. When we update this, we've chosen that 4th bathroom, and when it says the album has been updated, when we come back to our page and update the page, refresh the page, we'll now see this new 4th bathroom, and we can look at the images for this bathroom. And then when we come back here, we also notice that this is the order that they're showing in as well. So if we wanted, let's say, this cherry one to be first or last, so this looks like we got a painted one and then a painted distressed one and then a paint glaze. So why don't we just move this one? So that's all you do is just slide them around. So now I've got the order of all the painted ones are together and then the cherry one's separate, and I could move that to the front anywhere I want, however I want to slide those around. But I do like for it to kind of make sense when they come to the page. So if we look at the page right this second, at the albums, we've got paint, well, this one is white paint only, this one is paint glazed distressed, and this one is paint glazed, but this cherry's kind of in the middle of them. Because we made those changes, if we update this, we slid them around, changed the order, we come back here, refresh this page, see that now that we've got these in an order that makes sense. And again, it's customers probably won't pay any attention to it, but those kind of details matter to me anyway. So that's it for this video on adding or editing albums. Next, we will add a page for our new album. Thanks for watching.